What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you the best VPN to use whether you are inside or outside of Andorra. There's a lot of cybercrime in Andorra, and protecting your online security should be a top priority, especially when you're on a public Wi-Fi. Obviously, the best way to stay safe is by using a VPN. And of course, if you are outside of Andorra and you're trying to unblock a specific website or streaming services that are exclusive to Andorra, you can use the Andorran server within this VPN. I've tested a dozens of VPN and this one always come at the top. The name of the VPN is Surfshark, and this VPN has got more than 3,200 servers within 99 countries, and you will be virtually be able to secure unlimited devices with just a single subscription. And it's just one of the best VPNs out there. Super easy to use, a lot of value for what you're paying, and you get all the necessary security features. And you don't need to pay that much for it. You get 30 days money back guarantee, so if you're still not satisfied, you can get your money back. And of course, you will be able to find the links to the pricing and discounts in the description down below.